Hey y'all, welcome back to Mommy's Corner with Ashley. So this day I am cleaning up my front room and my son was sleeping and y'all, I turned around, looked on the windows and I seen some ants, y'all. I almost freaked out, but for my son's sake, I didn't. However, I just started cleaning up. That's the first thing and the only thing that you can really do, honestly. So like I said, my son is asleep, so I'm pulling his couch out. I'm sure it's crumbs and little bits of food back there. In this video you'll see my dog right there. She's gonna be eating stuff off the floor. It's kind of gross when you think about it. Like, dang, when the last time you actually cleaned up behind your couch? However, I digress. I'm getting it done today. I just can't stand it. Like, I called my husband like, yo, I'm about to freak out. And he already knew. He's like, I know. So we're about to get into it. I'm gonna be cleaning the cobwebs from the corners of the ceiling. Y'all, I'm about to get into it. Look at that. Gross, okay? Gross. So let's get into it. Y'all, look at that. And it's not even the worst. A lot of the clips I couldn't really get, but this is bad, at least for me. I try to stay on top of it every now and then. I don't really have like a schedule or routine when I do deep clean, but that's kind of uncalled for. Like, this is ridiculous. Like I said, look at my dog. She's just tearing up some food. I'm finding metal pieces on the floor. It's pretty crazy, okay? It's pretty crazy. And like I said, I'm just about to vacuum this stuff up. I still have my broom to get those baseboards, and I just use the two interchangeably, obviously as needed. And I'm about to continue to get this other side as well. So we are getting these cobwebs. Especially during this time of the year, you want to be really cautious about that. There's so many spiders out and they get in, and I just don't play. Like I said, I don't play with no type of insects. So the spider webs are coming down, spiders are getting killed. Sorry for the TMI. I'm cleaning my vents. You see right here, I'm pulling that other half out to get that side. And I'm about to get into it, y'all. I'm about to spray it down with some bleach water. You'll see a little bit later. And then I'll have my little odorless ant repellent. It does really good, honestly. And I use it outside as well. Just sweep up like my door, the bottom of like threshold of my door. Clean that really good. Let it dry, and then I'll spray it. I'm not playing with these ants, y'all. I am not playing. Alright, y'all, so here's the part where I have my bleach water and my odorless ant spray. I say bug spray, but you know, that's what I'm using for these ants, okay? So I'm just gonna spray this part. That's really just to kill their, my mom always say that they, not feed off of, but they retract their steps and they can like smell it or something. I'm not sure. Anywho, I'm just cleaning, like I said, their trail. Obviously they got in here before, and so they're able to come back again through their scent. Don't take my word for it, okay? This is something my mama said. So I'm cleaning up the baseboards wherever I think they were. I'm about to clean those windows as well, because like I said, I think they came through the window from the balcony, which is kind of weird, but it's all getting cleaned. Okay, so I'm about to get into these windows, and y'all, this is so filthy. We've been here going on almost 2 years, and granted, I could clean these windows, but I didn't, because before we moved in, this apartment was not cleaned, okay? It was not tip-top shape. When I say, because we moved in on a Friday, and on Monday they had to come out. They were cleaning that apartment while we were still in there. Maybe even a month later after we moved out. That's how nasty it was. The previous owner, oh my God, yeah, look at that. It's just so gross. The previous tenant who was in this apartment was just trifling. They had like dog feces on the balcony. Like we couldn't even go on the balcony because they had to come out and clean it. It was really bad. So this is just a combination, I know I'm saying it wrong, of dirt from before we even moved in. Right here, I'm just cleaning the other window, and this one is bent, so I'm sure this is one of the reasons why they're able to get in. And you know, I try to work with the maintenance team over here. It's pretty small, but it's still no excuse for some of the things that we've had to endure living in this apartment. So I'm just finished cleaning up this window, then we're on to the next one. So now I'm just going back in with the broom, getting those ceilings and the corners. And y'all, when I say y'all really got to give it up to these YouTubers who've been doing this for a long time. Like when it comes to like the different angles and moving the camera, make sure the lighting is, good and moving around. Yeah, this stuff ain't no joke. At first I'm like, oh, okay, that look easy, whatever. But yeah, the work that you really got to put into it, just to make sure that you're capturing everything. It's not a joke, okay? It's not a joke, and it's not as easy as it looks. You see, I'm just moving the camera. Some people don't even show you, when they're moving the camera, how they're moving the camera, and anything like that. So y'all really just gotta give people a props. You really do. Okay, so right here, I'm about to clean out this vent. I've done a video on this before, more of a satisfying cleaning video, like from start to finish, but in this clip, it's not going to be as long. And I just have my butter knife, a cloth, and a vinegar spray bottle, excuse me, vinegar water, and a little dish soap. And I'm on here talking to my god sister. We just up here chatting. And this was like the perfect time to do it, because I didn't have the vacuum going. Alright y'all, so this is towards the end of the video. Thank you all for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment. Let me know what you like, what you didn't like about the video. Yes y'all, I still feel new, in this whole YouTube thing. Thank you, Titus. And just, give me some feedback. I would really appreciate it. And I'll see y'all next time. Peace.